What's going on, guys? Good morning. 1 second, we'll hop into these levels. There he is, Mr. North Shore. Bitcoin. We'll get into Bitcoin. Let's go into ES and NQ real quick. What's up, B? So for ES, we want to see this 7,700 reclaim. So we broke the level. We are retesting right now. Let's see if we can reclaim it. If we reject this, we could look for shorts back down to 7,700, down to 7,632, possibly down to 7,600. If we reclaim 7,700, we could look for longs back up to 77.40, which was that level we were talking about yesterday. I don't really have a level marked as it's an intraday level. But 77.40 would be your TP. If you guys are trading SPY, we got down to that 760 we talked about. We still got room down another few dollars. Maybe we double bottom right here. So ideally what you want to see is a reclaim of this VWAP, a hold, and then see if we can go push back up to that 776. The only short I would take at this point is the break of 760 down to 754. If the market does sell off and we do lose VWAP though, like right now we're below it, if we do just start trending down, you could take shorts as well down to the 760. You could play it like this. You could use that VWAP kind of as your pivot, depending on the overall market conditions. So over VWAP, take longs to 776. Below it, if the market is fading out, you can look to take it to 760. The trigger is 760 down to 754. Triple Q is still below that 722 we've been talking about for quite some time. So anything under 722, I do like shorts down to that 700. The only way I'm really bullish on Triple Q is if we really reclaim this 722. We could take it to 735 to 737. Nothing really changed for Triple Q. And for NQ, it's the same thing, right? Right now we're at that, almost at the 28.9 demand zone. So let's see if we can maybe fade into it and then bounce. If we can get this bounce, we could look to play longs back to 30,000. But the real structure shift is the close over 30. So once NQ, if NQ reclaims 30,000, we got 30,003 to 30,600. But you could look to play the bounce at 28.9, below 28.9. If we break down, I'm loving shorts down to 27,963. So you'll have a TP at 28,427. Second TP is 27,963. You guys have any questions about that? Pretty straightforward. We'll go into Bitcoin in a second. We'll just erase these arrows. Yeah, 60 is a good buy for Bitcoin if you just want to slowly start scaling in. I really want lower, like 50s. If we can get a move down between 40 and 50, that's where I'm looking to really size in. Same thing for ETH. If you guys are watching ETH between 1,100 and 1,500's a really good buy. At this 1,800, I think it pushed up lately, but there you could start scaling in at that 1,800. What is SpaceX at? 139. I'm telling you that 145 was a short. Almost done removing these arrows. All right. Let's go into the news real quick. Today's Thursday. We had jobless claims at 8:30 this morning. And then we have U.S. leading index at 10 a.m. For earnings, you had Walmart this morning, you have Alibaba this morning, and then you have Ross later today. It's not really going to move the market. And then tomorrow's BJ's. So, like we said, earnings is kind of done. Earnings season for the most part. Tech's out of the way. Yeah, let's go into crypto. You guys want SpaceX or Bitcoin? Is it at 72? I know Thinkorswim is a little different sometimes. Let me check, yeah. ETH went to 23. Yeah, I got a level right up here at the 74.4. Let me go back. $74.4, I have it marked. And then from there, we'll probably get to this 80-ish. Right here, we got a gap fill if you guys see this. Maybe we'll go fill this at 80,000. So over 74, you could see 80. Right now, it looks like we're still just kind of consolidating, right? We got lower lows, lower highs. So really, nothing really changed. We're just getting a little relief rally, right? Your high made a low, lower high, lower low. So let's see if this is our lower high at the 74, and then we should come down and maybe get down to like 50. We want to get back into like the 40s and 50s is a buy. Up here at 70, you don't want to get caught. But ideally, you want to lower high and then maybe, down here somewhere lower low. Get in at 55. That's what I'm really waiting to see. If you guys want, you could slowly scale in at like 60. 60 is a good buy, or at least do a starter position. Maybe we'll fill this gap at the most part, get to this 80K, and then we'll see what happens. Either it rejects, because this is a pretty impulsive move right here. We just popped 10K. ETH is kind of the same story, right? It's the same thing. We probably get up to this 26 and reject at 25, 26. And it's almost the same thing, right? Lower highs, lower lows. You got a high, low, high, lower low. You're making a high right now. Let's see if it makes a higher high. If not, you're going to probably come down and get a lower low. So we're looking for that between 1,200 and 1,500. Yeah, so I got in Bitcoin pretty early. I think I got in at I have a few of them. I got in at like 6,000, 8,000. I'm not looking to sell them. I'm just holding those till I don't know. I'm probably never going to sell them, to be honest. I have more, I'm more heavy in ETH, though. I have a good amount of Ethereum. I'll start posting in the Discord one to start really scaling in. Right now, the numbers are okay, but I don't want to call out at like 7. I really want like those 50s, 55s, like I'm saying. So I haven't really been calling anything out. Even for stocks, I'm kind of just waiting. There's no point of just saying random things, right? Nobody took that long this morning. We called out the 88 long. 88 to 7,700. And that's why I didn't trade it either. I was like, I know this one. I get in, and then it makes a lower low, and I get caught, and I'm just bag holding it open. That was the whole reason I didn't get in. Got about 2 minutes till open. Also, it's the same thing. We just had a sell off, right? So, are we making a lower high right here? This is something to consider, right? We sold off. This is where I called that long, that off this hammer right here, this 88. So, is this just a dead cat bounce? Or are we going to, is this, maybe we're flagging out right here? We're going to break down, or are we going to start trending back up? So what I'm really looking for is that 7,700 reclaim. If we can reclaim, I'm looking to take longs back to 77.40 up to this volume. Because between here, there's not much volume, very thin nodes. So that's what I'm looking. If we do come up and fade out again, I'm looking to take shorts back down from 77 to at least 77.80. Because below 77, we don't really have anything until 76.32. So let's see. You guys have any more questions? We got about 40 seconds till open. Anything about tech or Apple's still grinding up? It's right back. It's crazy. Nvidia is trying to reclaim 218. If Nvidia loses 218, you could push down to 212. Over 218, you could push up back to all-time highs. Microsoft's just kind of consolidating. Tesla over 349, you could see 373. You're trying to get out of this range it's been trapped in, and the market's about to open. I would love to see a lower high get made right here. So this could be a little double top, come down. If we could see like a lower high to like 95, I'm going to try to get in. Let's keep an eye on NQ. Let's see if we can reclaim 77 and hold. Yeah, I'm going to go for it and see if I can get one last pullback. Come on, don't push without me. I'm loving the longs down here, just trying to get a good entry. Yeah, just try not to chase. Yeah, just be careful there, North Shore. That's 77. Use that as your pivot. I'm liking longs. I'm going to probably just... I would love a retest like 97. I don't think I'm going to get it. See what Tech's doing real quick. Nothing. Apple's still just pushing. Yeah. Did anyone take the 77? It looks like it just wants to go. I freaking want to chase this thing, man. O2's nice. We're testing almost VWAP right here, so let's see. See if we reject. Good man. Yeah, just watch that WAP. If you could take out that 714, whatever it is, 712. I mean, there's nothing really up to 740. I was waiting for the 97. So beat. I should have pulled the trigger at the 7700. So either we hit VWAP, retest, come back down, I'll look to get in, or we just reclaim VWAP and I'll look for longs. I just hate getting in the first like 2 minutes of the day. Yeah, fuck. I'm just gonna get it's not stopping. I'll just add it. If oh come on, I hit at 08. I'm in, guys. It spiked when I hit it. So we're in longs at shitty fill at 11. I'm looking to take this thing. At least 25, somewhere up here. I'm going to probably put my stop for BE because my entry was horrible, but I do like the longs right now. You guys should be in longs. Hopefully you guys got better entries from 7,700. Good job, B. What was your fill? Did you guys get in that 77? Hopefully you guys should be up at least 10 points, 10, 15 points already. We need NQ to break this VWAP right here. Debating on just locking it in for now. That sucks. I hit it on the spike. Yeah, I'm not playing that. $30. Just wait, let it come back down, look for a retest. I'm gonna see if I can get a retest. Hopefully I don't miss this trade. There you go. I'm 37. It's no better. I still like longs. I just want like freaking 06, 07, somewhere down there. Got some negative delta printing. Let's see. So it looks like as of right now, ES is rejecting VWAP. That's why we were saying to just kind of watch that 77.12. I'm gonna try it right here. I'm back in at 10. Maybe that was the retest. Let's see if we got it. Could have got a little lower. Let's see if we sniped it, guys. Looking at TP at like 24. Right there, let's see. If we come back and retest that 77, I'll look to add in maybe. We'll see. There was that 05 I wanted. So Tesla's rejecting that 349. Apple's still holding 317. Amazon sideways. Microsoft sideways. Nvidia's pushing up. We got news at 11 too, so or 11, 10 o'clock. Just be cautious of that. We're holding. I'm looking to trim at 24, guys. I'm looking for at least 15 points. Full TP is, yeah, I mean, at this point, I would even say full TP would be 40. 20's ideal, 20, 25. We're just looking to take this up to maybe go grind up for a lower high, right? Go retest this. I mean, ideally, this could have been it. This 317, 316. This could be the lower high right here, right? I think she's got room for a little more, though. So this could be your lower high. The way it's holding, though, it looks like she wants to go. So we reclaim this, the 16. We should get up to that 24. Come on, give us that push. I'm probably going to do the same thing, which will just be locking in profit. I'm not really beat to give anything back today. Today's Thursday. Tomorrow, I don't really have to trade. You guys get to battle it out. What was your fill, B? So you said longs like got open, it looks like. Yep. You guys are going tomorrow at 9:30. Hopefully everyone's in longs. It looks pretty good right now. We just need NQ to break VWAP, and we should be in a pretty good situation. I wish I took the freaking 88 this morning when I posted it. I would have been done for the day already. Come on, give us that push. I got stopped for BE. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just playing super conservative right now. It still looks good. I'm just really trying to get that 06 entry. It sucks. I don't think I will get it. I keep taking stabs at it. NQ keeps rejecting VWAP too. Did you? Shorten mRNA? You're a man. Little Moderna action. I really want an 05 entry. Come on. It's not going to give it to me. There you go, Ben. Finally being a man. I need like $300 and I can request a payout on this piece of shit. Got in 7701. As long as there you go, B. Yeah, I'm sitting on my hands at the moment. See if we get that 05. Good man. We got news at 10, guys. Just remember that. I just joined Ben. What was it? US Index? I think it was. What broker are you using, Ben? Is it Robinhood? That other one, the gold or whatever? Yeah, Robinhood gold or whatever. I never heard of Lightspeed. It really hit my 05. Just like yesterday, just chopping the first hour. It sucks. NQ takes out that 240, you might as well just short it. Same with ES under 77. 77, you could take it back to 84. She's holding, though. Here's that 05 again. Let's see if we can hold it this time. Might break through right here. Yeah, shorts look nice if you start breaking under the 77. You could try that VWAP projection right here at that 13 or 12, whatever it is. We got 7 minutes till news. Probably just wait it out. See what tech's doing. Yeah, everything's just flat. Under 05, I don't like it for long. So 05 is like my pivot. Yeah, I don't even see really anything at the moment. 7,700 break to the downside. That's it. Yeah, I'm waiting for this hourly now. The last one, yeah, that was our low. Let's see if, excuse me, if that was our established low. Things moving super slow again. All week. This is boring. I do like the longs over 05. It's just NQ. There's no follow through with tech or anything right now. ES looks the strongest once again. I don't know. I'm gonna try it here, guys. We just hit VWAP. Let's see if we can hit this 05 and hold. If we could hold this time, I'll look to get in. I just don't like how NQ is just no strength. Yeah, it's just failing immediately. So we took one long, basically break even at this point. The break is 77. Go wild on shorts. Should get close to 84, 85, somewhere right around here. Could have been the lower high that we were talking about. Remember we drew out that rectangle? Maybe all she got to is that 16. Got news in about 2 minutes. See if it does anything. News in about 1 minute. Oh, God. This sucks. Everyone, what are you guys doing? Sitting on your hands? About 30 seconds to this, see how the news reacts. See if it's enough to actually move it. You get such a nice move yesterday, and then today it goes back to this bullshit. I'm going to try it here. I'm in longs, guys. It's just holding that 05. I'm just looking for a push. It could. I'm looking for like somewhere over here. That's 18 at this point. Might just get stuffed. The 05 is the pivot. I'm literally in at the 05. It's just if we hold, we're gonna push to at least 18. If we fail, we're going down to 76.80. She's about to dump. I'm about to just cut it for the day. Man, look shot. I got out, guys. I'm down $100. Sitting right at it. Under 77, I'm going short. Good man. Yeah, the 77 break you took. And there's no follow through in either direction. It's just it's that nonsense. Yeah, we'll go back to 05 now. I got beat the other day. Tried the long, got stopped. Tried the short, got stopped, and they just kept wicking me out. Yeah, tech looks like she might break down finally. Yeah, shorts are looking like the move. I'm in the shorts. I'll probably just add in. I got a shitty ass fill. They fill me at the bottom. Ugh. Got a TP set for 85.50. Let's see. Yeah, that long. I'm telling you, I don't know why I like the hourly. If they flip this hourly and they buy it up, I'm gonna lose it. I'm about to get stopped again. Yeah, it was longs. Yeah, I'm out. I'm just gonna wait. I might just call it a day. It's just gonna keep trapping me. Lost like 150 both trades. So that was the other day. The 77 won't follow. If it follows through now and stop me out, I'm gonna freaking scream. Things. Yeah, oh my god. Yeah, you're back to that right here. This was my entry, the 97. Yeah, these are the beat days. So I'm being so cautious. We've been mounted to this level for how long? I'm going for. I like these longs. I don't know if it's just me, guys. She's just not breaking down. Yeah, once I hit like 300 for the day, I'm done. That's all I know. Wherever I'm at, I'm signing this bad boy off. It's just sitting right there. Yeah, I'm about to get stopped for the day. I mean, she's just holding. Why? I just don't get why we can't push. Everything's just flat. I mean, she keeps rejecting that 05 too. I don't like that. Probably just gonna lock it in. Once this POC fails, I'm out. I'm gone. I'm done for the day, guys. I'm just caught in this trap. 3 trades, 0 for 3 today. Geez, or 1 for 4, whatever it was. Yep. And then they wick me out. It's back to the 3. I hate this shit. I wasn't at 02 or 03. Yeah. Yeah, I'm calling it a day, guys. Over the 77, you could try the longs to 77.15. Under 77, shorts down to 84, 85. It's just pinned right to this. Tried the breakdown, got stopped. Tried the longs, got stopped. Keep getting caught. If I were you, I would just save your capital for another day. I already took all my trades. I'm done. Yeah, if you hold them. I mean, the shorts look good if you could close under 7. I don't like how it's not breaking 7. That's why I'm like still kind of liking the longs. Tesla's starting to break. Apple's under 317. Microsoft's just pinned sideways. Amazon's retesting 258. Meta's going to 544. Oh, there you go. You broke that 700. Really got to stay under 700. It's just not really giving it to you. You might get it right here. Volume's picking up. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, volume's picking up. Might get the break. I'd be looking for like 85, 86 TP, somewhere down there. Hey, look at this price action. It's just horrendous. Pushed up at open, came right back down, sat sideways. Big Christmas tree. $86. Look how slow it is. Like, look at the Dom. If it breaks, you're just going to get that burst out of nowhere. So you could follow through. You can get a short down to 76.32 where we have it mapped out. It's just, it is no follow through. As long as you stay below 77, I like the short. Or, yeah, that 97 right there. Like, look at the price. Just pin 93.50. Anyone still holding those shorts? Good man. Yeah, they're gonna buy it back up to 97. It's shot today, guys. It looks like a big freaking bull flag. That's why I keep trying the longs. It just fails the breakout every time. Flag up, flag out. Get the breakout. 77.20, 77.19. It just won't. It won't give it to us, and then it won't break the neckline for the downside. You're sick. You're up today on the chop, and then it's the clean trend day, and you're red. I freaking love the long, man. Tried it twice. I'm going for. I'm just gonna add in against this because I don't see it not going down. I don't see it going down. Look at the hourly though. Once the hourly fades, it's just shot. It looks like she wants to freaking go. Here's the pivot once again. I'm holding this thing. It's just engulfed the whole thing. This could be the start of the trend shift. Unless it just is a false breakdown, I get caught again, then I'm just gonna scream. You said it's worse than me. Here's the retest. Got to get back over 702, 703. Over 04, I love it. I just don't like how I keep going in right at the pivot and it keeps just failing immediately. Yep. Nothing is moving. It's got to get over 705. If it breaks here, it's done. I'm about to cut it again for another loss. Yeah, she's breaking down. Oh, my God. They really just can't give us a follow through for either direction. Anybody in any trader who just sitting on their hands. As long as we could get over 04 and hold, I love the long. Yeah, there's no reason to guess right here. I mean, we're just not breaking down. I tried this 02 long, 04 long at least 3 times already. This is why you never force it. You start doing shit like this. You know, Amazon looks based out. Apple's just chilling. Nothing is moving. Nvidia's trying to push back to 218. Tesla usually just does its own thing. Meta's off, pushing off the demand zone. Like everything's sitting at demand. It's not breaking down, making that new low. Even NQ is not taking out that 29,240. It's just chilling. You're probably going to get the move at 11, like what's been happening. She rejected that 04 again. Yeah, I'm cutting this thing. What a shitty trading session. As long as we got to just stay over 04. We just wick right to it every single time. Over 04, that opens the doors for 15. I have a limit order set for 1475. Can't get the follow through right here. Like, I'm not even looking for a crazy trade. I'm just looking to recoup some of the loss. Did anyone try it? Everyone just sitting here. What's your stop for that short? Because as long as you hold 04, we could push to that 15. So we're almost there. We're cooping some of this loss. Come on, give me one last push. I'm over it. 50 back. I'm probably done for the day, guys. This is just a shit show session. I can't break VWAP, so I got out. We got pushed right to it. We spiked through right when we came down. I just sold it. It's just there's no fault. It looks like she wants to go, even in Q. I don't have the patience with this shit today. If you're in shorts, I would be careful because over 04, that 77.15 is open. Yeah, 11 o'clock was the move. So I'm trying to sit here, but just this thing sucks. I do like the hourly. I do like this, though. Wick, we held this. We're wicking right here. If we close here, we should at least get a pushback up to this 18. So I keep targeting 14. yesterday we got the push, right? When I got off, it ran like right to the TP I was saying all day. What are you doing? Not doing anything. The market's not doing anything. Just consolidating. I like the longs. I tried them twice. Telling you the long, it's gonna get to 14. Yeah, the 14 is gonna come. I had the freaking 04 entry. I think this is where I got out at the 10 right here. $11 the move's just been happening. I feel bad for you guys in the battle tomorrow. You're gonna be trading this nonsense on a Friday. The 04 that was it. The 04 long. Yeah, That's exactly what happens. Breaks a level and actually follows through. All week. It's been like this. I was on a nice streak too. This week I took 2 losses. I lost 250 the one day and then 300 today. As long as you're $200 to $300 for the day, I don't really care. Tomorrow, every Friday. And then the following Friday, tomorrow, there's 2 people lined up. Following week, I don't know if B and Jada. And then is your thank you. Is your brother going North Shore? Because I'll put him for next week against the winner of this week if you want. I don't know if he's still in here. They're going to hit the 14. They're freaking sick. If you beat them, North Shore's brother, I'm guessing. Here comes the 14. I am sick. Oh, he can't? Okay. That's fine. You're a man. Next week. Ben, if you want to go next week, next Friday would be ideal against the winner of this week. And then we'll throw someone in for the following week. What a shit show session. It's going to go to the 14. So beat. So beat. Guy sat in it for the whole time from 04. Hits 10, gets out. I would have been down like $50 for the day, I think. Or BE on the day if I held to the 14. So gay. Yep, one more dollar. Read that reversal too, right here. This is the engulf we talked about. We got the engulf. We came down. We retested. That 700 kept holding, and then we eventually got that push. break and retest. We broke the level, retested right here, and should get the continuation back for this top of the structure. Be a man, Ben. Go next week. I think North Shore does because I think he wants to make fun of you. All I know is B puts on size, so for tomorrow you guys better be cautious. Then that boy runs 2-3 minis. Oh, 100%. He could lose 1,000 immediately. And then you just got to take one trade. Doesn't even matter if he loses 1,000, you win automatically. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, guys. This is just a chop session. It's the chop salad. Right back to the 05 where we got in, or 04 where we got in. No follow through. It's like a little double top. You guys see this? Just lower high as well. Yeah, it's shot. It's just destroying everyone right now. Anyone longing or shorting. There's no point of trading. 200's not bad. 300. Once I start going over once I close out the trade for really 400, I'm shot. I just start going wild. That's why 300, I'm kind of fine with the losses. Once I pull the 500, I'm going on tilt. Get North Shore talking shit. Where'd Ben go? He left? Or is he in here? We gotta add him. Say if I added him. Yeah. He's in the Discord too. His thing is the Discord warrior. Just add him in there and just troll him. Watch this. Look at the chat. The market hasn't dropped yet either. Just pinned. Look at this. Sideways all day. Just shot. It's what we were trading. No movement. Couldn't break up, couldn't break down. The Glizzy Gobbler. It's the best. Yeah, I'm gonna sign off though, guys. It's calling it a day. Just take my loss. I'm not doing all that. Sat in that one long for way further than I should have. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let me know. We'll get the cameras and everything good. Um, Tomorrow morning, like last week. With that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow.